Hi guys, now let's see about the exercise number 2, implementation of basic SQL commands. The aim of this experiment is to understand and execute basic SQL commands to retrieve, insert, update and delete data from the database tables. The first query is to retrieve the details of users whose name contains Smith. In this query, I retrieve the details of users whose names contain the word Smith. To perform this operation, I use the select statement with the like operator on the near name column. The select command is used to retrieve data from the database table. The like operator is used to search for a specific pattern in a column. The output displays the users whose names contain the word Smith. In the second query, I display the details of users whose password is not equal to password 1. I use the select statement with the where condition and the not operator. The where class is used to filter records based on a condition. The not operator is used to exclude records that match a certain condition. This query returns users whose password is different from password 1. The third query, I retrieved users whose email address ends with @example.com and whose phone number starts with 9876. To perform this operation, I used like and with the AND operator. The AND operator is used to combine multiple conditions and return records that satisfies all conditions. In the fourth query, I retrieved users whose user ID is either 2, 4 or 6. I use the in operator inside the where class. The in operator is used to check whether a value matches any value in a list. The output displayed users whose specified user IDs. In the fifth query, I retrieve the details of events that are scheduled after 15th September 2023. I use the select statement with the date condition in the where class. This filter the records and display only the events occurring after the given date. The sixth query, they've asked us to retrieve the details of events that are scheduled to take place after September 10th, 2023 and have a venue ID greater than 105. In this query, I retrieve the events that are scheduled after September 10th, 2023 and whose venue ID is greater than 105. I use the AND operator to combine both conditions. The query displayed events that satisfy both the date condition and the venue condition. In the seventh query, I retrieve the events whose name contain the word concert or show. I use the like operator with the OR operator. The OR operator is used to retrieve records that satisfy at least one of the conditions. In the eighth query, I increase the ticket price of all booked tickets by 5 units. I use the update statement with the set class. The update command is used to modify data in a table. The set class is used to assign a new value to a column. This query updated the ticket price for all booked tickets. In the ninth query, I reduced the ticket price for event ID 2 by 10 units. I used the update command with the where class to update only the tickets related to the event ID 2. The ticket prices for that event were successfully reduced after executing this command. The query 10, I double the ticket price of tickets where the status is booked and the event ID is 1. I used the update statement with the mathematical operations in the set class. In the 11th query, I increased the ticket price by 5 units for tickets where the price is less than 20. I used the where class with a comparison condition to filter the records. Only the tickets that had a price less than 20 were updated after executing this command. In the 12th query, I updated the venue ID of the event whose event ID is 3 to 110. I used the update statement with the where condition to modify only that particular event record. In the 13th query, I retrieve the events that are scheduled on or after September 20th, 2023. I use the date comparison condition in the where class. The output displayed events occurring on or after the given date. In the 14th query, I deleted the event whose event ID is 2. I use the delete command with the where class. The delete command is used to remove all records from the table. After executing this query, the selected event was removed from the event table. In the 15th query, I retrieved events whose description contains the word workshop. I use the like operator with the select statement to execute this command. This query searched the description column and turned events containing the word workshop. Thank you.